Okay, good afternoon. This is Yuza from Tape Trader 8. We're going to discuss about the Forex market right now. So for those of you who's anxious or dealing or trading for a Forex, either it's gold or some of the Forex exchange pair, I would like to give a weekly review for this market. Okay, let's check it out or some sentiment that's happened and it's going on for the next following weeks, so we can assume for some analysis from this major pair, which is the XAUUSD and also the EURUSD, which is it they going to break their yearly resistance for EURUSD. And also, what's the question in a lot of a trader mind? It's, is there a gold is still going up, or they already have overbought patterns that is going to happen? All right, let's check it out. First, we're going to see some of the area, which is some of the sentiment that I highlighted, which is currently we have a weaker USD index. I'll show you the chart right away, and then there is some interest rate concern from the Feds that is going to happen in 2 weeks times, whether they going to have a negative rate or not. All right, and then still a raising COVID case in US, where they still have a problem in some area, and Mr. Donald Trump still fighting about it. All right, and some for the euro. There's also a summit happening right now, which is they try to have a recovery fund from EU to lift the union from the crisis, which is this one also triggers a lot of jump in euro pair that is going to reach their resistance, their yearly resistance. All right, so as you can see in our rotation charts, all of the euro is starting to picking up or getting their momentum, while other like in US dollar still have a struggle to maintain to the market and still weakening to the market. Let me show you the chart of the US dollar index. So I'll give you the charts of the this. All right. So this is happen to have the bot made from the trader from Indonesia. I think it's very good. So we can see lots of line and trend line that goes on from the historical for each pairs. Okay, so I show you this one. UDX. Okay, so in general view, dollar still weakening, right? And still going on to 95.71. So I think although they have a support here, they already blast, and then it's going towards to the 95.7 support. And with this, I think all the pairs next week is going to have strong towards the weakened dollar, right? So based on that, we will see the XAU or gold. So I give you the monthly first. All right. So in monthly, still is going up, and then the trend line here is already breaking, but I really doubt it until it's closed at 1809. But I still doubt it that they have what you call it, still breaking out up to 19. So I think it's going to happen like this. Yeah. So I think it's going to happen like what we going to call it a yearly. So this is what's going to happen. So this is the demand area that it's already happened since 2010. So it's around 10 years ago. So my belief that after they reach out this area, they will do a correction, because the consolidation or the sideways that's already happened for a few years actually when they do it. And I think they're going to do some correction first or some sideways first in XAUUSD in months time, right? After that, probably after the recovery happening, the real recovery happenings where the optimism is going to happen, then they're going to pursue or breach out from these boxes, right? So if you can see what's going to happen next week actually. So hold on, huh? Gold, I think, is going to reach out until this one, 1815 or 1820, and then it's going to reach out again until 1820 on the following week. So after that, it's going to be on a correction basis, as I told you here. So it's going to be up to 1826, and then after that it's going to go down again for a correction, because this area, I believe it's a demand area that is going to have a lot of people waiting for there to go short, I think. So here is going to be up, I think. Hold on. Going up here, and then after that it's going to be a correction toward it. So after that it's going to go here to this side, right? But it's not going to happen for a while. I think we still have the euphoria to do this, what do you call it, euphoria from the Feds and also from the US dollar and stuff. So I think it's going to go all the way back here until the end of the month, right? So after that it's going to do a correction, and then after that probably we will see another one, or waiting for my next review, huh? For your info also, the euro US dollar also happening to have this what do you call it, yearly resistance, right? In this yearly resistance, I think it's already way back up to January of 19. Then they already have positivity on the summits, but I think most of the news say that it's not going to happen right away. There will be a discussion on it, and then I think it will prevail that, and then they will test it until the 1480, and then after that it will go down again to this horizontal trend line, horizontal line, which is going to go to 1.14001, right? So based on this, we can see, go to, for the trader, I think we can go here, right? So this is the moving average. I think it's gonna be the candle or the price will touch the moving average first. This is a moving average 20, and then it will go up again and then start to testing the 1.147, right? So based on this, I think it will still continue to do the uptrend against until up to this area. First, he has to go, the Euro USD has to go to what do you call it, correction first, or have a consolidation first, and then after that it will move to testing the area again to 14404, and then after that, hopefully if goes up again, it will continue to go to 14467 650. For those of you or the new trader or the trader can wait here, I think it's good to wait here, and then after that, if it bounce right back to the rebound back to this area, I think it can go to 144680, right? So if you calculate here, so this is the I think it goes right there. We can see that because it's following on Friday, there will be a bit of what do you call it, take profit at the end of the week. Now they're going to, I think, going to do a correction some on Monday or something like that. So on this, then after that they will go to this area, okay, and then you can put in your what do you call it, stop loss here, so you can have it, right? Hope it's hope you can gain on it. Okay, so bear in mind that the Euro US dollar is going to test the yearly resistance. First, they need to have the consolidation phase first. I think it's going to be a small correction first, and then after that probably going to raise again up to here. If not, then they're going to change to this area. If that's going to happen, then they're going to change to this area 1.137, right, in here, and then probably they will bounce back again, because in Euro US dollar still weakening, I think. So based on that, I think we can still expect that strong euro ahead, at least for 1 week. Okay, on US dollar, XAU in gold, right? Gold still quite strong, I think. XAU is still quite strong. I think there were past days during this week, they have this what you call it, consolidation. I think consolidation phase, where they're still upping until I think to reach this area. But for those of you still have a long position, I think you should be aware that this area is still very, very heavy resistance that you have since 10 years ago. I think it's going to be a lot of a correction from it, and then it's going to reach out to 117.10 or 117.15 area to do some consolidation. Okay, so if you trade in 1 hour, please expect that there will be some area, right? This will be some area of correction. I think it's going to reach out to this first, and this area is quite high, but I think not many news in following weeks towards the US dollar. If you can see here, starting next week, I think there will be a crude oil and some of the PMI. But however, some of this area, I think they going to do what you call some consolidation, put it in sideways, and then after that they will break out for the next week, right? So if you trade gold, I think it will be sideways until the Fed's going to come with their decision with the monetary FOMC, right? So based on that, I think we should expect some area sideways on here. Okay, all right, so that's all the review that I have. If you like my review, please give a like, subscription. So I'm going to do this in a weekly basis. And please remember that XAUUSD is already towards the resistance. Please be careful, right? Please be careful. I think this area will be a tough area to beat, 1820, right? 1820 will be tough area to beat. So I think, trader, you should be aware of it. My trading methods is only based on strict price action, trend line, horizontal line, and also moving averages. Okay, so I give you in here right. So if they can stand 1810, wait for it. It goes to 1815, and then if it's breakout, it's going to go to 1820 or 1826. Okay, just wait for a for these 2 weeks. I think it's still going to be a rally towards the 1826, and then after that, it's going to go to a correction phase, a big correction phase from XAU from gold. Okay, and for the Euro, as I mentioned, this is 1 hour chart. Oop, wrong. I think it's here somewhere. Oh, there we go. All right. So I think it's going to bounce back again to 11420, and then after that it's gonna go to 1146. It's already like double patterns, double bottom patterns, but I hope it will goes out from the 1.1440 mark here, the horizontal line, and then it goes up again, right? So that's all, guys, from my side. I hope it's going to help you to do some trade or from this week ahead. I wish you a profit and good luck, and hope to see you soon. User from Trader 8, Tip Trader 8 signing out. See you and bye bye.